Hey friends, who's hungry? Southern tomato pie with a tender, flaky buttermilk biscuit crust is sure to become your new favorite recipe this summer. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add half a cup of cold, unsalted butter that has been grated and mix until the butter is evenly mixed throughout. Then add 3/4 of a cup of cold buttermilk and continue to mix just until the dough comes away from the sides of the bowl. Transfer the dough to a floured surface and knead gently about 10 times. Shape it into a 5-inch round, then roll it out to at least 12 inches wide and ½ inch thick. Carefully fold the dough and gently fit it into a 9-inch pie plate or quiche pan. Prick the crust with a fork to prevent the crust from bubbling up during baking. Then bake at 450 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes until the crust just begins to turn brown. While the crust is baking, slice 2 to 3 small tomatoes into 1/4 inch slices. Lay the tomato slices on a paper towel lined plate and pat the tops of the tomatoes to absorb any excess moisture. In a small mixing bowl, combine 1/8 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of dried Italian seasoning, 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, and 2/3 cup of shredded Swiss cheese. Mix everything together, then spread the mixture evenly over the pre-baked crust. Arrange the tomato slices on top in a single layer. Pop the pie back in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes until the tomatoes are worn through and the cheese mixture is bubbly and golden. Let the pie cool for about 15 minutes before serving. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.